Hello everyone, welcome back to OBINexus Computing. Um, I want to talk about the updates to the packages that I've been working on. Phantom ID and PyAmbush Kit. You can get Phantom IDs. Still gonna find them right now, but I tried to make a new package altogether to solve some problems between Phantom ID and PyAmbush Kit and about 0 day um about I want to solve the problem I want to solve is called uh, a zero knowledge verification, identity verification for authorization and authentication. So that's using Phantom ID and Phantom Kit. Phantom ID, Phantom ID, for Phantom ID, the updates for it is using a C library called LibZero, and you can download it from the OBInexus packaging or GitLab, gitlab.com/OBInexus Computing slash um slash slash zero slash dot pkg slash zero. That's git gitlab /OBInexus Computing dot pkg slash zero for or I was maybe changing it to LibZero, but zero stands for zero knowledge identity authentication. We have three implementations there. You have the JavaScript package, um the JavaScript package, NodeZero or NodeZero, there's the which was in TypeScript. The second one is Python zero, PyZero, a package, and LibZero. And they have command line interface, so you can interface with your program that way. Those are three packages to work on for me, but I'm going to focus on LibZero for now, the C implementation, and then see how I can adopt that to Python implementation. That's the first update to it. I'll also be when it's all complete, I'll demonstrate the usage and how to use it all at once. How to use it, compile libzero into libphantom ID, and install a phantom call or make phantom posts to the internet, and you'll be anonymous. And for the Python application, you can download and update form file ambush kit using libzero to authenticate and make sure that there is no bad interception of connection. So you get the official PyCampush kits um, from it. And Node Ambush kit is node quotation TypeScript that focuses on a node environment or JavaScript environments. Okay, thank you for everyone for watching. Subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my YouTube, and subscribe to everything I do on my YouTube channel at OBInexus Computing, my TikTok, OBInexus Computing, and my Substack, substack.com/OBInexus Computing. And all three channels, please, and support me if you can. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone.